the first thing you need to do is download the correct drivers. On our technology website, we've given you a link which will take you to all the drivers that are for our copy right now, which is currently a BizHub 601. So I'm going to look for whatever version of Windows I'm running. As you can see, there's XP, there's Vista drivers, and so forth. And you need to know which version of Windows you're running to make this happen. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to download the drivers I want. I'll just say Save File. And I'm using Firefox, but I know my stuff, when I download it, goes to here. I'm going to click this little package, and this is what I get. I'm going to extract that. And it's important where you tell it to save. For me, I'm just going to keep it here in my downloads. You may want to extract it to the desktop. I'll hit OK. And now I have this folder. This is important to know where this is because we're going to come back to it here in a second. So now I'm going to go into printers and faxes. I'm going to go to add a printer. And now we're going to go through a bunch of wizards. So first I'm going to hit next. I want a locally attached printer to this computer. I want to go to create a new port, standard TCP IP port. Alright, now the wizard comes up, that's fine. I'm going to go next. Now it wants to know what address or port name I want to use. Well, back on our technology website, we've given you all the names right here. So I'm just going to grab one here at random. Copy that. Bring my window back up. Enter that. The main thing to have is this. The port name can be anything, so I'm just going to give it that for that. But for you guys, you can leave it as a default. I'm going to hit next. Standard generic network card, that's fine. We hit next. Now it's going to ask me what kind of drivers I want to use. Alright, this is where it's important. So I'm going to go to have disk, because I want to tell it what driver I have because we had to download it. I'll go to browse. And I know that I save those in my downloads. There it is. And I'm just going to select that file right there. I hit OK. That's correct. Now the name, it can be anything. I'm just going to put in here Westview Copier. I don't want to make this my default printer. I'll hit next. Print test page you can if you want. That's how you know if things are working right. I'm not for this video. I hit next. I hit finished. It will copy over some files. And now I have Westview's printer, or Westview's copier, added in as a printable option from there. And that's all there is to it.